Installing components. Remove the pre-installed communications cable from the 4G communications expansion board. Remove the 4G communications expansion board. Install a SIM card. Reinstall the 4G communications expansion board. Reinstall the pre-installed communications cable. Place the GPRS antenna on the top of the cabinet and route the antenna cable through the cable hole. Connect the GPRS antenna cable to the ANT port on the communications expansion module.